structure there. You see the fornix of the corpus callosum here. The tissue that you see blocking the lateral ventral here is the septum pellucidum. And if I kind of gently poke through there with the probe, I'm cutting through that septum pellucidum now. You see that the probe goes into the lateral ventricle. Right? There's your lateral ventricle. As we go inferior to the corpus callosum here into the fornix, we see the thalamus. This round structure here, and then around that you see the third ventricle. If we go just inferior to the thalamus, right below the thalamus, this is where you would see the hypothalamus, which is this region here. A good way to find the hypothalamus, here's your optic chiasma, right? You see the optic nerve there, the chiasm here. Directly posterior to the optic chiasma, you see the hypothalamus, and then here's the mammillary bodies again. So sandwiched in between those structures, you see that hypothalamus. If we make our way back up towards the third ventricle, if you compare this to the human brain that we have there, you would see the cerebral aqueduct running right through this midbrain here. So the cerebral aqueduct passes through there, makes its way down towards the fourth ventricle, which here's just ventral to the cerebellum. Coming back up here towards the third ventricle, you also see the pineal gland here at the posterior and inferior aspect of that corpus callosum. If we go back to the midbrain here where that cerebral aqueduct was passing through, you have the midbrain here with the cerebral peduncles. Here's your corpora quadragemini with your superior and inferior colliculi. And so if that was the midbrain, this would then be the pons, medulla, spinal cord, cerebellum with the nice invisible arbor vitae here, which is just the white matter. That was really